I just ate a piece. Piece of that sumac. I don't know.
What was it, boy?
A piece of stick.
Oh.
I think it's in my throat. In my air.
Did you slow your breathing down?
I came through the tree.
Did something cut your carburetor? You're making me want to barf. That's what I do.
Yeah, now they're stuck in my throat. I went like,
Well, I feel good. I said if you try it right up on the bumper. Do you need the hind lick maneuver?
I don't know.
Hey, nothing wrong with the good hind lick, eh? No.
Give me a little hind lick.
You're gonna grow a sumac tree in your lungs. I think that's coming out your ear. Why?